The unmistakable sound of reggae drums and percussion. Saturated, warm and rich tones that will fall seamlessly into any track you're working on. Arguably more so than in any genre, the rhythm section is the heart and soul of reggae. Coherently it forcefully pushes the music forward, always with the characteristic, steady beat of the drums at the very forefront. The Reggae Ezx takes the traditional sound and recording techniques of reggae drums and puts it in the powerful framework of today's most intuitive tool for drum production, EZdrummer 2. The Reggae Ezx was recorded at Rubba Dub Studios in Stockholm, Sweden and comes with a unique and genuine collection of instruments, all hand-picked for this session. It includes 2 full, single-headed custom drum kits, a generous selection of snares, percussion and traditional bingi and clay hand drums. Everything was recorded using vintage gear and microphones, the custom miking techniques of the genre and through a 1970s Soundcraft Series 2 console. All this coupled with the studio's dense, organic wood-lined walls, its tight space and 3 decades worth of reggae history will give you unrivaled authenticity in drums for roots-oriented music. Saturated, warm and rich tones that will fall seamlessly into any track you're working on.